So anyway, the second story is last night when I was riding the train, this girl seen me struggling to get my bag closed or whatever. So I was trying to close my bag because I got my jacket out because I was cold. Anyway, so all my nice shoes and stuff start falling out. And she was obviously homeless, and I respect homeless people. But anyway, so she seen my nice shoes falling out. She's like, oh, what size did you wear? Are you wearing 9? I'm like, no, I wear 11. She was like, well, let me help you try to get it closed. She kept trying to move to the side where my purse was at, where my purse was like open and all my stuff was out because I couldn't close it. Had too much shit. Anyway, and I'm like, girl, I was homeless before too. I know the game. Let me try to shimmy close to my damn purse so you can take something out of it. And then I'd be forced to whoop your ass. Anyway, security was watching. He had my back. He thought I was gullible too. I'm like, she ain't finna get me. She's finna get her ass. What was she finna get?